Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at BITF stock. This is Bitfarms, which we are seeing down today by almost 4%. We're asking the question as to what we are looking at. We're also asking what is potentially coming next. Over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions and giving you some of the levels that I'm looking forward to going forwards into tomorrow and also next week. If it sounds like a good episode, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd love you guys to share me your opinions down in the comment section too. I'd like you to also remember that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should be coming to your own conclusions and doing your own research. Now, jumping straight into this one over the past couple of days, what do you notice? Well, of course, the stock is ultimately up big. Again, zoom back out here to the simple chart, come out to the 5-day, come out to the 1 month even, and you can see this stock is still up very big. From the low to the high, you saw this one go up, what, 150%, right? Now, since we have seen it drop by 16%, comparatively, this is not bad. And you come out here and look at the chart and you can see what is happening here. I think a lot of people have seen this as a major sell-off, particularly because people may have bought in at the highs, right? But in reality, what are we seeing? We're seeing a stock that went up huge, essentially finding its new normal, its new base. That is my personal opinion. Now, I think one thing that is looking very strong is the fact that we are finding support levels now potentially at 255. If we see those hold up as we have done here, here, and also here as well, I think we're in a strong position to look for a bounce. However, if we don't, which is also a realistic possibility, you're looking for 236, 235 for the next level down, and then potentially from there going to 216s. Now, either way, I don't think that is bad. I think ideally holding above 225 is the best situation, in which scenario this support around about here at 236 looks great. But I think, honestly, in my opinion, this is not that bad. I think this was always going to happen. I think when a stock goes up like this, when it's basically going up in a straight line, right, you're eventually going to come to a head. You're eventually going to see some price decline. And I think this is just what we saw here. Now it's about seeing where we can find a base. Again, if we do begin to see this right here at 260, 250, I think things are ideal. That could take us on for a push potential all the way up to 275, then on to 285 for a potential run up to the 290s. From there, things get really interesting as we go and retest 310 and then potentially go and retest 322. Again, those are the levels to the upside, some of the key levels to the downside. At the moment, I think this is consolidating nicely. I know that we have seen a drop today by 3.4% at the time of filming, but realistically in context, what are you looking at? You're looking at a stock that's had a lot of time to cool off on the RSI. We're coming back down to normal levels on that as well. You're looking at a stock which is finding some nice consolidation. I think if we see another relatively flat day tomorrow, small bit up, small bit down, that's not bad. I think we are very close to finding a nice level of support here, and if that does continue to play out, things are looking great. So I'd love to hear your opinions on this down in the comment section. Thank you for your time, guys, and I hope I'll see you again soon. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.